Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a IBM Selectric 2 on the bench that was found in the gutter in the rain. Well, it doesn't rain here, but in the gutter. And it needs everything. It's stuck, it's broken, it's abused, it's neglected, it's just super dirty and stuck. Can't tell much on camera here, but what we're going to do here today is see if my little trick here to get it started will work. So it's plugged in, turn the power on and it doesn't do anything. Motor doesn't turn, even though the motor turns freely here. So that means that switch is bad. So when I turn it on here, it doesn't want to come on. No, come on. I tried it a few times. So what we're going to do here, especially when these guys have been sitting, the switch has been sitting forever, there's grease in here and it just gets stuck. So we're going to smack it with a screwdriver, turn it on and smack it. There it goes. So what it did was dislodge the grease in here and got the switch to come on. It probably will work now. There it goes, see? But as you can hear that noise and that thump, that is a bad center pulley, bad everything in here, which I assumed I hadn't even looked at it yet. I just wanted to show that little on-off trick. So all this stuff is bad in here as expected. Oh yeah. So there's a split in that hub right there. There's a major split in there, but at least I know what to do with that switch. It's just got a crack in it. It's got to be dealt with, that's all. Let's take a look at the crack here. See how bad a crack it is. Probably a bad one. That doesn't want to turn manually. Jeez. Wow. There's a lot of resistance here. There's the crack right there. There's the crack. All right. That was just the on-off switch trick when they so the solution to this is either, replace the switch or take it apart and rebuild it, and I have a video that shows how to do that too. So all right, quick little 3-minute video. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.